This is Jackal Goldkick, and you're watching Acidic Roots.
Alright folks, so when I said I was going to go on a few errands, we're going to wind up doing that. Well, yeah, we're going to get some lottery tickets, and then I'm going to get some gum for Frenchie. He gave me some money to do that. And then I'm going to pick up some food. So we got normal 3 things. You've seen these activities previously, but it's just going to be a little bit more pronounced this time. So we got, McDonald's has some holiday pies, which is, I guess I'll show that. Yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's actually pretty tasty. It kind of seems awkward, but I enjoy these. It's custard, it's like a donut. And then for when I take a shit, I've got the newspaper, so should help me out. Everyone has their places where they read those newspapers, Some with coffee, some with donuts, some in their recliner, some watching football. Well, the pot. I recommend that you do it too. You should do it too. Yeah, so Booster is going to start making more appearances. He's kind of wanting in on this, some of these compilation videos that the 3 of us, Cobalt, Frenchie, and I do. There's going to be some additional fellows. Keith is kind of there from time to time, but Booster has decided he wants to be a part of some of this, so he's going to be the new fellow you're going to see. So he really hasn't been on my channel that much, actually. Now that I think about it, he's been around, but he just has been really low key. So I don't have too much of a problem with that. The price is wrong, bitch. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I think we're gonna do that. Yeah, we're getting ready to go by McDonald's right now, so you want something? Yeah, I'm just gonna get a light snack, but yeah, okay, I think I can pick that up if you're gonna be by here, so just stick around for a bit and we'll get that for you. Alright. Alright, so I got my spoils. You can definitely see all these. Fast 50, I believe it. My spoils here. I had Mickey D's get a few more spoils, and Snoochie Boochies. Let's smell the aura.
Thank you. You too.
See if I can get a burp. Hold on. One more for the road. Alright, what's up, Booster? We had some food earlier. I'm gonna finish up with this apple pie, and we got the chicken sandwich you wanted. So we're gonna have a rootin' tootin' good time. Picked up the stuff for Frenchie, so I probably should have gotten 2, but I just figured it's actually 15 in here, so it's not too bad. We're pocket fellows. We do keep stuff in our pockets. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Oh, you can see the moon. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, right. Right where my fingers point. Zoom in. Moon is pretty awkward right now. Yeah, we're about to hit up the library, and there's stuff on the verge of getting there. That's another place I don't talk too much about, but that was Booster on the phone. We're gonna pick him up. I figure with a little bit extra money, we'll pick him up something to eat. So simple enough to do. Gotta make sure my crew is satiated, you know. I can't be getting grub and not filling them out. Picking up some goodies here. This is a place I don't show too much. Back in the Acid Roots days, we're gonna see what's up with some CDs. Gonna definitely get some good stuff. So, alright, so more errands. Just watching a little bit of Booger Man, the Booger Man rap. You can see Uncle Sam Patriot, he's a good fellow. See if I can. Yep, World War Wario and that. So, alright, we're heading by the library, so you can see. And, you know, these editions are a couple years old, but I don't know if I've shown this drive-through, so you can hear the Siri-like voice that this thing has. Also got some rap CDs. So Currency. Let's see what else. Flatbush Zombies, don't know them. Gorillas. Jedi Mind Tricks. And then Pharrell. Yep. Have some good listens off these, see what I think.